Today I'm visiting the West Side Market in Cleveland, Ohio. The West Side Market is located in the Ohio City neighborhood and has been continuously operating since 1912, making it Cleveland's oldest. The corner I'm in right now is called Market Square, and it sits on what was once Pearl Street Market. Pearl Street Market was in operation since 1840, and the West Side Market was built across the street to replace it. Here is a good view of the 137-foot tall West Side Market clock tower. West Side Market. As you'll see in a moment, the West Side Market serves everything from pastries to deli meats and cheese. The food is delicious and the people are friendly, so let's go in and have a look around.
This market's really cool.
This lady realized I was from out of town, and she was real friendly and just wanted to offer me a maple bacon donut. I couldn't say no.
Number one in Cleveland, the maple bacon.
That looks freaking amazing. This one's called Jack Frost Donuts, right in the front here. This is awesome. Well, that was freaking cool. Just gave me that donut. So it's welcome to Cleveland.
And if you're wondering, it was amazing.
So I can see there's a lot of pastries here. There's the Christmas story lamp. Strong smell. Not a bad smell though. Smells like a delicatessen. Oh yeah, it's awesome.
What'd you get? Casada cake. Okay.
Some of those pies. Sorry, my finger got on the screen there. The screen went dark on me. I wanted to see what I'm doing. So I touched it.
Would you rather have
That lady said, "What are you doing?" When I was recording. I thought at first she was gonna have a problem with me recording and say that, no, don't do that or something. So I turned it off for a minute to explain I'm not doing anything weird. But no, she thought it was cool that I was from another place and just wanted to talk to me and gave me a free maple bacon donut. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Just friendly people. cake scones, baklava. I just want to come here every day and become obese because that just sounds amazing. Kind of looks a little bit like Grand Central Terminal in New York. Big cow head up here. White flour cake.
So, obviously, I had to grab myself an Italian sausage sandwich to go. So, I really thought the West Side Market was cool. Historical, great vibes, great food. You can't go wrong. Until next time.